So what does restrict mean on Instagram? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, we will simply discuss what does restrict mean on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if I go ahead and then open the Instagram application, and then if I just go to any of the profiles and then I tap on the three dots, aside from blocking and everything, I have the option called restrict. And what does restrict actually mean on Instagram? Well, restrict simply means that when you restrict an account, they will not be able to see when you were last active or when you are currently online. At the same time, they will also not be able to know if you've read their messages, and that is simply what restrict means. And even if they do post any type of comment on your profile, only they will be able to view it and it will not be shown to you. You can see the comment by tapping the see comment option. It is said by Instagram itself that when you restrict someone, they are not going to be able to see your online status and not being able to see whether or not you've read their messages. If you would like to unrestrict them, tap on the three dots, choose the option called unrestrict again. And that's all it takes to restrict someone on Instagram. And hopefully this video answered a question as to what the restrict options means as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help it, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.